snap. Hold up, first of all.
If you're YouTuber, you gotta get...
Oh, yeah. Alright, so first of all, what's up, Nor Gang? So we're back, and I'm about to get hit by a car. Hold up. Boom. Alright, so now, Nor Gang, we got a special edition. We got JP. What's going on, bro? You guys can follow him on YouTube and on Instagram, Short Guy Productions. Boom, there it is. First of all, this car used to be my clone, or I was his clone. I don't even know who got the spoiler first. Now, I hate my life because his car looks a lot better than mine. Dude, the splitter, bro, everything looks super clean, bro. So now JP and I have a little predicament that we're getting into. Who's faster? So JP and I are gonna race real quick, and sorry I just got laid on camera. Obviously, it's my daughter's birthday, so we're gonna take a little bit of time just to record this out. Hey, Francis! Hey, what up? Ooh, 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 ooh. Sorry, so we're gonna get a quick race in. All right, JP, this is going down, bro. This is going down. So now this is automatic versus stick. Let's see who's faster. Who do you think is gonna win?
What are the mods here, bro?
Well, I'm glad you asked that, Francis, because so JP, do you mind if I say what mods you have or no? Alright, so as far as I know, because he could be hiding a nitrous solenoid, JP does have test pipes and also a muffler delete. Now, there is obviously the argument if muffler deletes actually do anything, but he has test pipes, so let's see how this goes down. Me, I'm stock as fuck. We'll see how it goes.
I do also have cold air intakes.
And cold air intake. Damn, so intakes and test pipes. So I might get spanked, to be honest. So
But we have a weight difference.
Yeah, I mean, I'm 250 pounds, JP. So exactly. Are you past 250 pounds?
250?
Yeah. Don't give me that look. Alright, so I'm gonna get the car set up after I don't get hit and stuff. And we're gonna make this race happen real quick on my daughter's birthday. Yeah, JP would challenge me on my daughter's birthday weekend, but like I said, I already got laid, I had fun, the cake's not cut yet. So, you know, we're gonna make this a thing for you guys. So hold up, next clip you guys will see me spanking JP and just spanking JP. I don't gotta explain it. All right, so Nor Gang, I don't know if you guys can see or not. I hope so. It'd be awkward if you don't. But
got a sweet visual on my crotch.
All right, Nor Gang, so we got Francis in the car. All right, so he wanted to come through. I've got one passenger, JP's got one passenger, and we're gonna make this happen real quick. So it's gonna be stick shift versus automatic. Let's see. Yeah, I know. Automatic. But his is super clean.
Got my money on Jamaica.
As always, I know you guys, I always say it, well, hopefully I always say it, but I try to make sure we race in a safe location. I'm not trying to crash into like neighbors' yards and shit, like as I almost crashed into this truck. 40? Alright. There's a car, yeah. Dude, we keep getting stopped. There's a bunch of cars coming.
You don't want to take that?
Yeah, let's make. I'm gonna make a U-E and let's go that way. You want to go drifting, dog? You're like, I'm meant for this.
You know me,
Damn, this would have been a good time too. All right, Nor Gang, so your boy almost stalled because that clutch engagement point is still in the most stupid position possible. Honestly, like I said, it's just all about finding a safe spot because I know a lot of you guys like to kind of just run it wherever. That's not my style the least bit. The most important thing you can do is make sure that you can drive home to your family. He can drive home to his, to his family. He has a daughter too. He knows the deal. So here might be a lot more clear than. Wow. So right when we're like setting up a race, we drive right by a fucking cop. The fucking irony. Damn, why is it so complicated? I get races around here all the time easy, and then the one time it's JP. Impossible. Right? Go home, pizza boy. Road's closed. This is perfect. Come up, come up. 3, 2, 1, go! And we still stopped at the stop sign. Hey, I'm taking that W, boy.
Yes, sir. That was.
Does he want a round 2? Is that first time you've been in the race, Francis?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Didn't seem like it, man. So unhesitant.
No, Francis is like, whoa!
Dude, I do this all the time. You played a lot of Gran Turismo.
Yo. Francis, bro. Thank you, man. All right, so like I said, to be fair, I did have a passenger. JP had a passenger, but it's all fun runs. You know, there's no money in this. There's no like whipping your dick out, like who's got the bigger dick and all that. It's just having fun. So now let's try and make it back to the party so I can enjoy my daughter's birthday.
Still smell the rubber.
Oh, rubber, man, that's my brakes.
She said.
Oh.
Even though the driver that was on our right hand side.
No, I don't know.
Let us go.
I don't know. We took a quick trip to Mexico. I don't know what you're talking about, dog. We were good, man.
He was like, yeah, dude.
JP, I'm sorry. You know I'm about to post your ass on Instagram. we gonna take this W, boy. We gonna take this W. That's right. With my dog Francis. Rematch. What? What do you mean? That was a clean run, but it was a good one, man. Thank you, bro. Boom. So honestly, I still feel soft because I hear nothing but your exhaust, and my car is just completely silent. I sound
automatic though.
It moves though.
Pretty fucking impressive.
JP, I'm gonna take this W.
There will be a rematch.
There'll be a rematch, man. Wait till I get an exhaust, boy. Wait till I get exhaust. I need power mods, man. But no, but still, hey, you guys, like I said, follow him, Short Guy Productions. I'll link him, I think, what, like right here or something. And, you know, follow him, because, dude, his build's really coming along, man. Like, his car is really making me hate mine. It looks so good, bro. Bro, once you get wheels, it's game over, man. You're going to be, or you can take mine. I mean, why not? Alright, and also shout out to Francis. I want to tag his Instagram. No reason, but just cause, you know, why not?
Latour de Francis.
Latour de Francis. Like, I didn't get it on camera. I'm just gonna say it. But whatever. The point is that JP, the thing is, his car's automatic. He started in second gear, and my dumbass is like, oh yeah, I started in second gear. No problem. Yeah, he has 7 gears. I have 6. So wait, you have 7, right?
7, yeah.
7 gears. So it's a different ratio. I'll rerun him. I'm making this promise on video. I'll shake on it. I'll rerun him this time, you know, in his location, because he came all the way down south just for us. I'll go up north for you guys just to spank that ass twice. But yeah. Sorry. So I'll ride up with him. He started in second gear. I only was able to get 1 pull because there was a cop right by the corner. We got really lucky. So I'm not gonna push it this time. I'm gonna keep chill. All right. Next race, we'll be up north. We'll make this happen. Or if you're down, I'm down to make this at from the dig, because you'll be at advantage. So we'll do a dig race. We'll do a 20 and a 40, because I know at 20 and dig he would be an advantage because I can't launch my car. So hey, Nick, when are we gonna finally review your Z, bro? Mr. I'd like to boost my Z but never keep in contact with Ray.
It's not done yet.
It's not done yet. When are you gonna be done, bro? When are you gonna be done?
Could be months.
Months. Boy, I'll see you in 3 weeks.
Could be a month or 2. Sad.
Oh!
We need to have something.
Oh, never mind. Your hopes and dreams, you dropped it? Oh shit. Alright, Nor gang, so this one is probably gonna be a short video, but I just wanted to it's just automatic versus stick. JP and I have had this plan for probably like months, right? Like, yeah, it's been like 2 months or something like that. So, Norgang, we'll see you guys next video. If you guys like what you saw, just make sure you do like and subscribe. Share it to your friends, bro. Don't just watch this. Don't be selfish. Show Francis. Are y'all throwing up gang signs?
Share that shit.
Share that shit. You feel me? Sorry. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do, and I'll see you guys next video.
I'm a player, I told her that as a rumor. She tryna run up my visa like she came from Cuba. Told Shorty that she